Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther. If you haven't watched part 1 of my clean with me my closet, go do so right now, because that is where I did majority of the stuff, was where I did all my clothes. This is going to be shoes and bags and other random stuff, part 2, and then we'll do a part 3 of like organizing it a little bit more. I'm gonna buy some stuff on Amazon one of these days and organize some more, and we'll do a part 3 video. That'll probably be the final one. So yeah, so let's keep on getting more stuff done. So yeah, let's just keep on going. So here is where I keep all my shoes. A lot of it they're either old or I need to get rid of, so garbage bag. Hey guys, so a little while later, I did a dial, kind of making a mess in my room, but it's okay. We're trying to organize thing. Yeah, we have, these are like some stuff for that big thing in there, which I need to get out. But I think once I get this big background out of my room, my closet, I think that's gonna make it so much better to organize. I think I want to put one of these suitcases up on top, because I feel like that would be really good if I can do that soon, and maybe get my dad to help me. I am now on season 1, episode 13. I think I watched about 2 or 3 episodes of Friends already. It's okay, I'm trying to binge watch everything. I never finished I think season 8, and it got taken off Netflix, and I was so mad. And I'm like, I didn't want to get HBO Max, but then all of a sudden I'm just like, we're gonna buy HBO Max because we really want to watch Friends, and I want to watch Gossip Girl. Again, I want to watch Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. They had a rerun. I know that's up. Like Amazon, and get some bins, like those like gray type of bins that people have in their closet, and put like some memory stuff in there. I don't want to throw things away, because there's like all like dolls that I used to have and things I still want to keep, but I don't want them like in my, like I don't want them lying out, so I definitely want to do something about it. So I think that's what I'm going to do to reorganize it. I'm going to try and finish cleaning up here and figure out what bags we're going to keep, because like I have this like Jonas Brothers one. I'm not sure if I'm going to maybe give it totally to on my fan site. I don't know yet. And so I'm a little tired right now, but I want to keep going. I'm going to stop filming for a while. It just helped me get more organized when I stop filming. So I'm going to keep doing that and figure out what I want to do next. And I think I have a pretty good idea on where things I want to do, and how to put things up top and stuff. That's the plan. So I'm gonna go to that, and I'll see you guys in a while. Take time. So we have made progress again. My room does look a bit of a mess right now, but that is because I'm trying to figure out where to put things right now. I figure out what I want to get online, so I'm gonna do some Amazon shopping in a little bit, which I think I'll include in the video. But this is the progress. We have a bit of a mess going on. This is things that we're getting rid of, throwing away. They're just not in use. That we're still keeping, by the way, in case you're wondering. I'm just putting it up on the top. And yeah, so we made progress. We got our suitcase in here, but I want to put them up here, organize this more. I think I'm gonna have to get a ladder one of these days, maybe tomorrow, and organize it more. So I did organize my bags. So these are like travel bags that I can use. So this is a big, so this is a really big travel bag. I used it when I went on birthright, so it's really good for traveling in case I ever travel again. I have a clear bag for concerts now, and then I have this other bag in case I want to use it for the city or whatever. Then I have my work bag, all my shoes. I really don't have too many shoes. Honestly, my feet don't change, and I just get simple stuff, and until when I wear them out, I'll get new ones. So, sorry, it's kind of dark. I will try and make the editing a little better. So these are like all my brown boots that I have. I have like these ones, and then I have like short brown boots, and then more like wintry ones. I have my combat boots that I wear a lot in the springtime. These are just regular black boots that I can wear for work or whatever. These are more fancier shoes that I can wear. These are like with heels, or like if I want to wear these. Because I have like weird feet, I have to wear these type of shoes. I have yet to do anything with these. I have to get some baskets because I want to like keep some of these. This also back surgery my brother picked out, so I want to keep these. So I think I'm going to get a basket and put up here and reorganize, get rid of the easy bake. Oh yeah, that is all. I am kind of tired. I do have to put things out to the outside of here and bring things down there because we did a lot today, and I think it took me about 2 hours, which is a lot longer than I thought. Like, which is what I thought. I didn't think the closet part, like the clothes part, was gonna take me that long than I thought. But I hope you guys liked this part 2. If you did, give a big thumbs up. Subscribe for part 3 of my closet cleanup, decluttering with me, because definitely gonna be a part 3 of me getting stuff on Amazon. Part 3 is gonna be me finding things on Amazon and opening those packages and really organizing everything. So that's gonna be part 3, fun series for you guys. I definitely really would love to paint my room, but that's not gonna happen for a long time. So we're just gonna get the closet done while we can, make it look aesthetically pleasing. So I'm gonna go take my thumbnail photo, and I'll see you guys in part 3.